Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart weekly settings. In this page, we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here you will search about Walmart and we click here. In this page of App Info, we go to First Stop and we click OK. Then we click on Storage. Here we click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. So here we search about Walmart and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.